Alright, hey, my name is Julian and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can buy merchant token, and I'm going to share with you multiple ways that you can buy it. I'm also going to be going into a bit of detail what I think of the project overall. Now this project is an ICO cryptocurrency. So ICO, all it really means is initial coin offering. So what that really means is you're getting into a coin before it gets onto any exchanges. So I'm going to share with you how you can do this, how you can buy merchant token today, and I'm going to give you a step-by-step how you can do this. And there's more than one way that you can do this as also. So all you have to do is hit this join button here, join merchant token ICO. You can come to the website, which is merchanttoken.org. I'll leave a link in the description. It is my affiliate link, but as I'm aware, you might get a little bit of a bonus. Use my link. Just to let you know, this isn't financial advice. I'm just sharing with you what I'm investing. So if you want to first do is sign up, or you can join or sign in. So join. So if you want to buy, you have to join first and create an account, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Come to the website and do some research of your own. Of course, I recommend to do that. So I'm going to show you how you can actually do this. I'm going to log out of my account so you can see how it is, what it looks like signing up. So when you sign up, you just want to put your email address and password in. You want to click this button here first, of course. Put your email address and your password, agree to the terms of service, and then sign up. And you should be ready to go. You will get an email. Just confirm your account. It's really simple. Just follow the step-by-step signing up to your account after you get the email, and then sign into your account, and I'll show you what the back end will look like. This is where you actually buy the crypto merchant token before once you sign in. So this is the back end of it. I'll share with you really quickly. All right, so this is the back end of the token merchant token. So as you can see that I've invested into it only a small amount, but I'm going to be investing more over time. But yeah, this is the back end of it, and this is what you will see when you first sign up. Make sure you do set up your withdrawal address. So your withdrawal address is simply, I'll show you really quickly. You can get this address on any exchange, Binance, CoinSpot, SwiftX. It doesn't matter what exchange you're on. I'm just doing this as an example. So let's go to my Ethereum wallet. Get my Ethereum actual receive. So you want to click the receive, you want the receive address. So copy your address here, go back here, set up your withdrawal address. Confirm your withdrawal address. This is so you can withdraw it, as I'm aware. The change you wanted to maybe change something you didn't have access to if you're... Alright, I'm not sure exactly what happened there, but I'm sure that's exactly how you're supposed to set it up. But that's how you can do it. Alright, so now I'm going to share with you how you can actually buy the token. So the first way you can buy it is using Coinbase. Buy with Coinbase. I don't think you have to be signed up on Coinbase to do this. So you just click the buy button, and now you want to use the exact same email address that you signed up on merchant token. Make sure you use the exact same one. Then click continue to payment. This is now you can click which cryptocurrency you wish to pay with. So you pretty much send the cryptocurrency to this address, and then it'll automatically switch it to merchant token. So you automatically will get merchant token using one of these cryptocurrencies that you pay with, in a sense. So let's say Litecoin, because I like Litecoin. This is now you just make the payment, send the LTC, so Litecoin, to this address below, and you will get merchant token in exchange. So all you do is copy, go to the exchange that you use. It doesn't matter what exchange. I'm just going to go click find Litecoin. So it doesn't really, like I said, doesn't matter what exchange you use. As long as it has this cryptocurrency and you can send it, then you should be fine. So you just want to click send. So the address that you wish to send it to, make sure you copy this address exactly. Make sure to copy it, put it into here. Oh, well, this is the amount, so $50. Now make sure you copy your address into there. Sorry. You can save the address to whatever you want. So let's call it merchant token. And then if you have any securities in place for your exchange, just make sure to do this. I have an SMS security in place, so I'd have to do that. Make sure to put that in before I can withdraw it. But then once I send it, it should be sent to that address here that I just set up here. So once it's sent to that address and they've confirmed it, it will automatically go into your account, and you should have tokens that will appear right here. My MCO token balance, my MTO token balance. So that's pretty much all it takes to get some MTO. Merchant token. So that's the first method that you can use, sending it directly to the token, sending cryptocurrency with Coinbase. Now next method is you can use just your standard credit card, debit card, Visa card, whatever, and you just click here, and I'll show you really quickly. Of course, there's a 3.5% fee, so that might be turned off a few people, but yeah, this is how simple it really is. You would put your card details into here, and then you just pay for it, and I'll just share with you really quickly. I'll share with you how you can do this. So now I've sent the payment. As you can see, it will load and it'll take a little bit, but once this loads, you should see the processing part. So once you processed your order, it won't, just to let you know, when you do make payment this way, it might take a few hours before you can even see it in your account, or it might be instantly in your account. But just be patient, and you should have your merchant token appear in your account. Not that long. It shouldn't take long. But give it 24 hours. If you have any issues, you can contact them. So as you can see, it's taken a little bit while to load, but it should confirm my transaction, and then I should have the cryptocurrency in my wallet very soon. So as you can see, payment pending, confirm date time, merchant ICO. This is what I'm getting. Payment amount $50. So you just confirm it, continue, and then you should be good to go. So as you can see, it hasn't appeared in my account straight away, but that's just normal. It will be processing, and I will get it as soon as it's finished process. So that's the second way you can do it, just via your MasterCard, debit card, Visa card, whatever. Your third option is using bank transfer. So this is pretty standard. You'll pick your currency. Just to let you know, whatever currency you pick, it would automatically change to USD. So yeah, like I was saying, you would simply pick the currency, whatever currency you're from. It should be on here unless it's not, but it doesn't. I guess it's not an option for you if it's not on there. But so AED, you would simply make a bank transfer using the details as stated below here, and then you should be ready to go. Should be right to go. So that's the three options you have. You can use any three of these to buy it. It's really simple to use, and I hope you guys understand how it all works. Now, I want to show you a bit of details. I'm not going to go into much details here. You can come watch a video telling you about it. You can look at the white paper. You can look at the documents here. You can see the team here. Information, tokenomic, about, meet the team. So you can see they've got real people, and they're hiring, and you can see the real people here. You can look at their LinkedIn profile, you can look at their white paper. They have 100 million supply, and the price is 85 cents, and the price will be released at $1.20 listed on exchanges. That will be the actual price. So the current stage is 66 out of 100, and you can see the timeline here. Exchange listing August 2021. So yeah, 19th of August 2021 is when they plan to be listed on exchanges. And yeah, that's what do I actually think of the project. I think the project has a good chance to be high. Like, this project is one of the best ICOs that I see out at the moment. I would easily make it the top 5 that I know right now. Probably maybe even at the second or top spot, just because they've got a lot of, their website's clean, they've got people, the team, you can see the team, you can see that they're real people, their white paper is really good, the information they share is really good, they share a whole detail of everything you want to know about them. They pretty much protect transactions in a sense, but if you want to go more into detail, learn more about their cryptocurrency, feel free to check it out in the link in the description. I personally think this is a solid project to invest into, but I wouldn't risk too much money into any project, any ICO. But if there was one ICO that I would say is that I would be investing in, it would be this one. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope it helped you out. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.